Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today is 84th day of speaking and recording myself, and right now I am outside my house and it is raining a lot. Look at this. And before few days ago, we used to like walk into the water because it was water logging is like in huge amount in our way. But now it is like everything is happening is we have unloaded so many stones and gravels so that we fill our path with that, and we used to like we will able to walk on that and go on our works. So right now the laborers are working, and it is raining. That is why they are at standing at a place. And today I will let you know that I had to go and speak in front of media. I was like about the problem which has happened into like what we call it, gully. But the thing happened is I was very scared at when it comes to talking, and today I know what I am from inside. I got a reality check. When I was talking, I was like shivering. I'm shivering little, and I don't know what has happened to me when it comes talking in front of all of the like in front of talking to others. I was scared a lot that time, but it's been like, what can I say? I was just explaining what is happening in our locality, in our area. So we settled here before like 6 years ago. We come here. 6 years ago we come here to live, and from then when the first like rains happened when we live here, then the water logged, and in that water my mother and my father, my parents, they used to go every day at their work, and they both have got a disease called malaria in their legs, and it is like very painful. They are still suffering from that disease, and the pain which they feel is like very unbearable pain they feel. They are on medication of malaria which they used to take every day so that their legs don't pain. So this is what has happened. And one more thing is like the poles is not in our street, and I can say that my street is like 6 meters long. Not width of the street is like 6 meters, and when I talk about the long, it is very big. But the one thing is that the poles are not available here, so we need to take electricity from the other street, and there, if the building is going to develop in this area, they will just remove our wires. Then from where we will get it? We have no idea about it, that from where we will get the electricity, power supply. We have no idea. Everyone, when it's time to, at the time of election, everyone just came to our house, visited us, and they just start begging for, like they literally beg for it, that vote us, we will do this, we will do that. And that time we have complained so many times about it, but it is just not happening. It's just not happening. They all promise us about this, that we are going to make all the things, but it is just not happening. They just promise, and after they get a position, they didn't do anything. They just keep on like they don't do anything. They just keep on doing their work. They just keep on earning money, and other than that, they don't do anything. It rains very hard. Like it rained hard today, and we were thinking like we are waiting that the rain's not come, but it is raining. But we can't help it. I don't know why I'm thinking a lot. It's just I'm lost somewhere, and I'm thinking about something which I am not able to tell you guys. Today when I was talking to the media, I was very scared, and I was like I was not feeling nice. That feeling was like, I don't know, this is the main hesitation which I feel while speaking. And during my school days, I also didn't speak at all on the camera, on the mic. I was not able to do that because this fear is inside me from like very long time. It's just not working, and I need to work upon it, but it's not happening. I don't know what to do with to overcome this fear, but I'm not able to do that. It's just I'm waiting and doing so that I keep on recording myself, that even if I'm not able to speak, I will speak a little when it comes to talking, and I have done that today. Okay, let it be. I was shivering, and I was hesitant, I was feeling scared. All the feeling was inside me, but still I was trying to talk to overcome. But I did that. I did complete it, and they understood me. That is the biggest thing which I was wanting, which I want, that they understood me. And if they are going to cross question me, I was like, I have tried. I can't there I was able to speak in Hindi, but even if they're going, I will choose speak in Hindi. That time I was able to like describe little bit better, but I chose. And my sister, she was forcing me to talk in English, that go and speak in English. And she was the also reason that she want me to speak like, but I chose to speak. Before that I was like, I thought that I will not speak. I don't know. And he took my photo of mine. I was like, I was in like standing erect. I was not just sitting on. I was like this, and I was feeling like, what is this? Why they are doing it? I don't know if it is gonna work or not, but let's see. If anything happens and we get cemented road, then it will be very nice. It will be nice, very nice. And now the worker has started to work. The rain has over now. It stopped raining. It is raining, but in like very normal. It is raining little, and this is what it is. I was not able to show you, but this is how my way looks like. And the clouds are like making sound, but let it be. What can I do? I can't help it. It will make sound. It is a natural process. We have no control over it. It will rain, it will do anything. It is a natural thing, and we are not able to help it. We just gonna bear what has to happen. I don't know why you all don't watch my video, but that's totally normal. And I'm not talking it to my heart, because I know nobody is like interested in this while hearing all these things and stuff. I also know that I'm making so much mistake. Literally, when I'm recording in 10 minutes. I know there is so many mistakes which I have done, but instead of focusing on the mistake, I am just trying to not focus on it, because if I'm going to just be cautious about the mistake, I'm not gonna speak, and I don't want that. And you must be like you all must be watching and noticing about me that I have improved a lot. And this was the first time when I have talked in front of like so many people. Although I was savoring and everything, let it be, I just don't mind. And after, when I was coming, I was like, I know you have savored a lot, but let it be. There was only you who has speaked in whatever you language. I was like, everybody was like, they were phenomenal when it comes to talk, but I was the only one who was like very scared while talking. But let it be, it's happened, and it is totally normal. I was just want that nobody told me that. I was happy about that nobody told me that why I was scared. I was like that. I was feeling if anybody is going to tell me that I was like scared and everything, I will be like in trouble. I will just, if they are gonna like demotivate me, I will be in trouble. And I want that this type of opportunities comes my way, and I get to talk out my heart out. So that's all for today's video. Till then, bye bye.